logistically. Okay. That's much better. Good girl. Just even your feet up. You've got one foot forward than the other. Not that I'm being picky, but it's all...
Now I want you to retract these. That's a girl. Good. Now, slowly down. Good girl. Even if you go to there, that's fine. Yeah. But keep these under control. Just to there. Good. So see how hard all this is working now? Okay. Good. Much better. Good. So that depth, when you're starting out, is fine. Good. Feel that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, first thing I want you to do is just be aware of these. Draw these down and back. That's it. Good. And just get you to hold that. And now with the ball, gently move it forward first, and then come down. Move it to one side gently a little bit, and then come back. Then move it over the other side and keep back while keeping this. That's it.
It's a version of the compass push-up.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah, but harder. Yeah. Yeah. So that becomes, if you like, with your clients, you always start on the lowest rung, don't you? Start on the lowest rung and get them to earn their stripes to go up to the next one. So I would start them on that and then gradually get them to build up.